Good afternoon all of my dear students. Welcome back to your online class. As you know, today I will be teach the last chapter from your NCERT book science, that is water. It's chapter number 14. Okay. And we have already finished all the chapters of term 2 examination. Only this chapter left. This chapter very small chapter with only few subtopics, that is familiar to you all. I know. I will just discuss these all topics. And have you seen offline videos, students? Yesterday's offline videos about the exercise of electricity and circuit. Who have not seen those videos, please watch those videos. Okay. That was about the exercise question answer of electricity and circuit. Okay. Just go through this. It will be uploaded in the e-portal. It has already been uploaded in the YouTube channel, but it is still not uploaded in the e-portal. Within today it will be uploaded. So please follow those videos, offline videos. Okay, students? Go through these all. Okay. So let's start the chapter, that is water. Now as you know, water is very precious, fundamental and essential part of our life. We cannot just imagine our life without water. Existence of every living organisms, every living beings on the earth is possible due to presence of water, as you know. Okay. Now water is found naturally, as you know, and that is naturally and abundantly on our planet earth. About 2/3 of the earth's surface that is covered with water. Okay. And it is transparent, odorless and tasteless inorganic molecule that is mainly composed of hydrogen and oxygen. Actually the chemical formula of water is H2O, means there is 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. Okay. So water is made of 2 hydrogen molecule and 1 oxygen molecule. So what is the chemical formula of water? Please write in your chat box. Yes, very good. H2O, very good. So we have seen how water is formed with 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. Okay. Now comes to the point, that is uses of water. We uses water in our daily life, everyday life in different ways. What are those all purpose? Including everyday household uses, that including drinking, cooking, cleaning, washing, bathing and other domestic purpose like irrigation or cultivation process also. This water is very essential, as you know. Okay. Now other requirements, that is industrial requirements. Okay. In the factories there is need of such water. Okay. I hope you understood this point, everyone. Any problem up to this portion? So we have seen that actually the different uses of water in various fields. First one is cleaning, drinking, then bathing, washing, irrigation, gardening, cooking of food, then transportation, then manufacturing goods for generating power, electricity, as you know, and production. In the industries and recreational activities like swimming, then also water sports. Okay. Everyone understood this point. Now comes to the sources of water, means what are the main sources of water? As I have already told you that only 2/3 of the about 2/3 of the total earth surface is covered with water. Now, but unfortunately only a small percentage is suitable for human use. Why this sentence I have told? I will tell you now. As there is only 99.7% water that is found in ocean, sea, groundwater floating in the atmosphere. Now this water is not safe and unsuitable for human consumption, as it is containing excess salt, toxic materials, then also some other impurities which can lead to illness and other health disorder. Understood? Now comes to the point that rivers and ponds, lakes, groundwater are different sources of water which can be used for drinking, cooking and other human uses only after proper treatment like boiling, filtration, only those water can be used after such treatment. Okay. Now we have found that by this way we got the distribution of water, actually the sources of water. Now distribution of water, as I have told you that if we see the percentage of water on the earth, then we will be able to see that there is mainly 71% water and the remaining portion is land. Now this 71% water, among this 71% water, only 3% is fresh water and 97% is salt water. So among the 71% of water, only 3% water is fresh water and another 97% water is salt water. Understood this point? Everyone, any problem? No problem. Achha. Now comes to 71% of earth is covered with water and out of this 3% is fresh water and 97% is water is in the oceans and seas. Now out of this 3% fresh water, 30% is groundwater that is not accessible. Okay. Now 69% is in the form of glacier, icebergs. Okay. Then out of remaining 1% of water, only 0.006% is used by the people for several purposes like bathing, cleaning, washing. Okay. So here we have got the point how many percentage of water we actually use. Now what is fresh water? Fresh water is naturally occurring water that is present on the earth's surface. That can be found in ponds, rivers. Okay. The major source of rainwater is precipitation in the atmosphere. Precipitation you know. Now comes to potable water. What is potable water? Anyone having any idea about this potable water? Any idea? What is potable water? That is the purest form of water that does not contain any impurities. Okay. This is called potable water, P-O-T-A-B-L-E, potable water. Okay. And there is no any impurities or salt present in it, and this water can be used for drinking purpose, so that this water is known as potable water. Okay. Understood everyone? Any problem? Okay. Now, as you know that water cycle, what is water cycle? That is already in your chapter. Circulation of water within the environment. Okay. You know this point, the process of circulation or circulating or continuous movement of water between the water bodies like oceans, rivers, ponds, etc. is known as water cycle. As you have already learned about this, that there are mainly 3 states of matter. Also in case of water, you can say there are 3 different states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Among these 3 states of matter, the complete process of water cycle involves the following process of this changing of the state of matter. Okay. As you know, yes, Tari. Then the first one process is evaporation, then condensation and then precipitation. Now first we comes to the point, that is evaporation. Evaporation means, what is evaporation? Can anyone tell this? What is evaporation? The process of conversion of liquid into gas, gaseous form. Okay, means the water into water vapor. This is called as evaporation, you know. So this is occurring, and another process that is known as condensation. What is this condensation? When the water vapors actually when water vapor found in the gaseous form, when they converted into the liquid state, that is known as condensation process. Understood this point? gas to liquid form. Now last one is precipitation. What is precipitation? Means this is actually the middle step. First one is evaporation, then condensation I have told you, and then precipitation. What is precipitation? When more water get condensed in clouds or condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere result in the precipitation, okay? And the precipitation can be in the form of rain, snow, etc. Okay? Now, can you hear my voice clearly? Now, yes, Joita, very good. So there are three processes by which this water cycle takes place. One is evaporation, another is condensation, and third one is precipitation. Understood everyone? Any problem up to this portion? No problem. Very good. Now, as I have told you that the flow of water towards the ocean, lastly, rainwater falls into river, lakes, and the rain droplets falls into the oceans, then river, ponds, seas. And water from the river, lakes, ponds finally flow into the sea and ocean. Okay. Now, what is transpiration? The process of evaporating water through the leaves when water is absorbed through the roots. We have already just read this thing. Now, when excess rainfall is there, as you know that rainfall brings about life, but excess rainfall leads to an hazardous condition that is known as excess rainfall. Now can you hear me? Yes, very good Nishad, that is flood. As you know, due to this flood, water level in the water bodies increases. Okay. Now it causes damages to human life, domestic animals, and then crops, okay, and also animals living in the water, and the excess water may spread over large areas causing floods. Understood everyone? Now, when there is inadequate rainfall, means there is lack of rainfall, then that causes which of the following hazard? Floods, drought, earthquake, tsunami. What will be the answer? Kinjal, inadequate. I have told you inadequate. That will be drought. Okay. Now they are actually decrease in groundwater level, that makes the soil dry, and this condition is called as drought, as you know. Now at this time of drought, it is difficult to get food and water, and this condition is known as famine. You have already read, no? So I hope you understood this process, and all the subtopic that has been told by me. Now water management, how to manage water, how can we conserve water? There are mainly two processes. One is drip irrigation and another is rainwater harvesting. In drip irrigation process, we can collect water, we can conserve the rainwater, then we can use it for pouring, we can use it to the root of the plants by just using some narrow tubes and pouring those water into the roots of the plants, so that plants can get sufficient amount of water. By this process, we can conserve water. This is called as drip irrigation. And another process, that is rainwater harvesting. As you know, rainwater harvesting is a sustainable development. This is actually done by preserving rainwater, and we can use it for future if we preserve the rainwater, conserve this. Okay, I hope you understood everyone, and if anyone having any problem, you can tell me now.